Welcome to my channel. For watching my more videos, search my channel name Learn with Hafsa. So in this video, I am telling you how to create CSS file. You can see I have told you in the previous lectures how to create directories in the Visual Studio. So I create a file HTML folder I have created in the previous video. Then I create a directory or a folder of assets. Then I am creating further two folders in assets folder, CSS and JS. In the CSS file, I will create here file. How? I am clicking here and I write here file.css. You can write any name here. I am writing here file and CSS is its extension. Click on it and now successfully I have created CSS file. In this video I am telling you how to link CSS file with HTML file. Okay, I am writing here link and click now here. So it will give me link rel is equal to style sheet href, and now here I write my file name. First I will tell you in the Visual Studio when you write something it will show you a full form of that link. Like I write here link and it shows me the whole link of the tag. So I am writing here file name. My CSS file name is file.css. So it will not sometime it directly access to the file.css because if there is no directory, if you created there any directory, then you have to create you will give here the path of the your path of relative path of your file assets slash css slash now file.css. Here I have created my link my CSS file with HTML. Now I will write something and show you some results. Learn with Hafsa. And in the CSS file, I will write here h1 into color red. Now I am showing you results on the browser. Look, I have opened my browser and here you can see Learn with Hafsa. It is written in the red color. So it is successfully connected the CSS file with HTML.
Thank for watching the video. For watching more videos, search my YouTube channel name Learn with Hafsa. Subscribe it and like the videos. Thank you.